to my vlog. Today is my third lesson for private
Chef.
Chef. Okay. So Sunil, how do you feel me going for lessons every Sunday? You happy, right?
Yeah,
Why
because you're so annoying at home.
I'm so annoying at home. Can you guys hear it?
Hmm.
I'm so annoying. Am I?
Yeah,
Are you sure about it?
yes.
Okay, for today we're going to learn about healthy techniques of cooking. Basically, we are doing some braising and then baking. It's very healthy lifestyle cooking today. I think it's more vegetables. When I looked at the book or the study material, I did not see any meat except for chicken stock.
The baking actually vegetarian or non-veg?
I'm baking cauliflower papilote.
Hmm.
Papilote. Okay, yes, we are doing cauliflower papilote. Doing eggplant soft tofu in clay pot, as well as strawberry nugget. Strawberry nugget is something like a strawberry syrup. I'm not so sure what is it used for. I'm trying to research. Looks like it's used for maybe strawberry ice cream. I'm not sure. Until maybe. Okay. So we shall wait and go for the lesson. I will try to put some snips of today's lesson, some photos, some videos. Not everything
About the chef.
about the chef. Ooh, I didn't know who's the handsome chef today. Okay, see you guys later. Have fun. Sunil, anything more to say?
Nope, not at all.
No, I thought. Okay, guys. One very important thing. Subscribe.
Hit the notification bell.
Cling, cling, cling.
Second marker on it, you can see what fish the pen of that exclude. The second is smelly. If it's smelly so strong, run away and no buy. But if you forgot to say and then you open the fish and everything is smelly fish, it's better knowing. It's very important the smell. Second, the temperature. This one is cold. Keep it cold and more of the houses have a air condition. Meaning it's not supposed to if you cook. This one is not conditioner and it's normal temperature. It cannot stay longer outside. Less of the time is very important. First the fish, the seafood and the salad. Then fish up here.
Any animal when you die, right? Even us humans or animals, you have this effect. It's called rigor mortis. Basically, you become hard. After a while, you start to become soft. So the fish, when you go to the fish market, you just touch it. Because I don't think many people grab the fish, eat one by one, and start to smell it, right? The fish are monger is gonna get angry. But if you start touching them, the ones that are firm, those are the ones that normally are fresher.
Oh no.
Okay.
Guys, I'm back home already after my third private chef course. Today was very fast. Okay, the course ended at about 7 o'clock and I'm already back home. Usually I'm back home only about 9 o'clock. So today's lesson was more on healthy cooking, as I told you guys before. So we did some very nice dishes. I came back home, I shared it with my son. He also, I think. Okay, what's your views, Sunil? Come on, give me your today's food.
Okay.
Mm,
It's actually quite good, actually, the food. My favorite was the, like, some rice thing
okay,
and salmon, I think.
okay. Anything else you liked about the food I brought back home today?
Strawberry nabe.
It's strawberry nage.
Nage.
Yeah, strawberry nage, not nabe.
Mm.
Okay, so you like the food, right?
Yeah.
So it seems like Sunil liked today's dishes. The pilaf rice was good. I think I can show you all a video on how to do pilaf rice on stove or even the rice cooker. This rice can be a very good base for baked rice. And also we did miso marinated salmon. The salmon was delicious, very moist and very good, and a very simple cauliflower dish. It's called cauliflower papilote or papillote. I do not know how they actually pronounce it in France, but that's one of the dishes we did, which is also very simple to do. And finally we did a clay pot dish, which is a braised dish with tofu, brinjal, tomato. It's more of like there was more vegetable food today, more vegetarian and less meat. I think the only protein we had today was salmon. So I think you'll be seeing the photos before this video. You know, there's a lot of photos and videos. Oh yeah, we also had master chef with chef Daniel Chavez. Chef Daniel Chavez is holding 3 restaurants in Singapore. He's from Peru. His wife is also a beautiful chef, a very beautiful couple. In fact, they did some demonstration to us as well. So have fun. No, keep subscribing to Bunny's Kitchen. Give me all your support and all your love. That's what keeps me going. Take care, guys.